Our Drive School of Motoring. Become a safe and confident driver.
So we know it's 600 yards, so you can keep on for now. Yeah. You don't have to zip in at the last, at the point. That's coming at the point. Because that's how these systems work. So this lane isn't closed yet. It's closed at that point, so you merge at the point. Yeah. So the lane is still open all the way down until those cones tell us to move over. So is that in? That's it. Good. There you go, he's giving it a flash. Lovely job. Thank you. Wonder why it's shut. I know, that's the design of it. Yeah, because it's an end there, yeah. Otherwise you are thinking, like, are there more cones going to come up? What's going on here? So we're going right third exit to Kettering. Is this one? It's like bitty.
Yeah, like it goes, like you come round like a tiny weeny bit and then you have to stop again.
Oh. And then what lane are we aiming for here?
Outside.
Yeah. Just keep your eye on your surroundings. Because people like that are going to come up on your left, so sometimes it's not safe to come
not safe.
all the way down.
Okay. Can you get that one in the test?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
on the test screen.
Yeah. At the roundabout, we'll go left. That's the exit.
Unusual.
I know.
Switching it up. At the end of the road, turning right. Just end of the road.
Yeah. And then pulling up on the left in the same place. Perfect. Lovely. Okay. Right, let's do the emergency stop.
Okay.
So you know what you're doing with your pedals?
Straight down on the brake and slowly down on the clutch.
No,
Oh,
no.
no, both down straight.
Goes down. So you think
Okay.
the car you're bringing to a stop as quickly as physically possible.
Okay, so just.
So if you don't clutch down with it, it's just going to stall.
Oh, yeah.
So clutch and brake as,
Clutch and
as
brake
hard and
as
as
hard.
fast as you can
Yeah.
together. Yeah. And then once you've come to a stop, make sure you secure the car as you did here.
Yeah.
And then when I say move on, you can then check all
all
around
around.
360
Yeah.
before moving off again.
Okay.
And obviously they will pull you up on the side of the road first and say we're going to do an emergency stop.
Yeah.
So then you'll be waiting for that hand signal.
Hand signal.
And if it's then not safe, they will tell you, okay, the emergency stop is terminated, continue on as normal.
Okay.
So something can like pull out of a side road or something.
Yeah.
It's not always possible. Yeah. Okay, so when you're ready, you continue on as normal, and I will do all the observations and tell you when to stop. Yeah.
Okay.
Just wait for 1 second. Just want to see where this car goes. Yeah, in there.
He's
That's
good. It's alright.
Stop. Okay, when you're ready, continue on.
Oh, I don't need to indicate.
No, there's no one here. Good. At the end of the road, turning right. I won't ask you to do that again, but we will practice it again later because it was a little bit slow.
Yeah. I was like, oh wait.
Yeah. And at the end of the road, we'll turn left, please.
Would they always be on roads like that?
Yeah. At the roundabout, we'll go right there, exit.
Like the sound of someone's brake.
Yeah, I think that learner car.
Yeah.
Come on when you're left, so sometimes it's. Remember, you don't need to go around when it's single lane. That was smart too, guys.
Always. It's going from a double to a single.
Yeah.
It's just like.
At the next roundabout, we'll go right first.
Needed to check
That's it. Make sure you're signalling off. Perfect.
I should have checked though.
It was it was a very good position, but yeah, just
Yeah,
check because it felt a little bit like, whoa, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I saw it on the floor. I was like, oh, I need to follow that.
Yeah. So.
Oh, I like this road.
You always call it the tree road.
Yeah. Just feels like a nice road.
Yeah. It's calm, isn't in after,
Yeah.
aren't you?
I do it at my mum's car. My mum's always like,
Oh,
why are
really?
you doing that? And I'm like, I don't know. It's like, 'cause you're just going to have to do it again.
It's just habit, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you stop the car, you straighten the
Yeah.
wheels, but yeah, not when we're still turning.
It's the double minute. Can I go?
It's not really your lane because it.
I'd follow that lane.
Yeah,
wouldn't
but
I?
if it's safe, if there's nothing to the right of you, you can take it.
There is something to the right of it. Could have gone in.
Remember not to stare at what you're giving way to. That's not where the opportunity is going to come from.
Okay. Yeah.
So keep your eye on that traffic queue there. So
Yeah.
even though we've got a green light, it's a yellow keep clear box, isn't it?
Yeah.
So can you go in that box?
No.
No.
So I can't move forwards.
No.
What do I do? I should have waited back there.
Yeah. I was trying to hint to you.